Beehives 101. One of my favorite things. So what is a drone? A drone is a male bee. They're bigger than the other bees, and yeah, this part, okay, I just need to say this. They are known to spend their time drinking nectar, mating, and lazing around on the flowers. I don't know what to say. I didn't build this community. It was there, okay? So drones are, when somebody's talking about drones, they're talking about male bees. Their sole purpose in life is to mate with the queen. Sounds fun, right? They don't work, they don't make honey, and they can't sting. So since a queen only needs to mate once, most of the drones don't even get to fulfill what they're there for. So once the queen is mated, the other drones, you know, there's a lucky drone in there, but the other drones, they have no purpose. They can't fulfill their role. So they are the larger of the bees, like I said. They hang around the hive. They just hang around, and hopefully they'll get a chance to mate with the queen. So this is what they do. I don't know. I really didn't make this up. It's a true story. You have a good day.